Good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Jordan Darensbourg here. We hope everyone has had a safe weekend, and I hope everyone's prepared for what's to come later on tonight and on in through tomorrow and the beginning portions of next week. So let's go ahead and break down our weather headlines. We're expecting that cold front to arrive later on tonight, but then we've got a winter weather advisory that was issued a few hours ago, and that is from Sunday evening all the way till Monday at noon for light freezing rain that is expected. We're not expecting much in terms of accumulation, but we're definitely going to be watched closely for the potential for those bridges, those overpasses, as well as other elevated surfaces that could have some light icing on it that could cause some moderate travel issues or minor travel issues. Now let's take a look and take this winter weather advisory. It's for everyone, like I said, for 6 o'clock on Sunday evening all the way until noon on your Monday. So pay attention to this very, very closely in addition to the massive cold that we are expecting. Right now, 4 o'clock, we're mainly in those low to mid 60s, but then as we head into Saturday at 9 and 10 o'clock, that's when that front is going to start making its way through portions of central Texas. There you see our northern counties already seeing wind chills getting down to the 20s. Look at Burnett at around 10 p.m., looking at around a 28-degree wind chill. But then right as that front makes its way through the Austin metro, there you see that temperature drop in those clouds build in with wind chills in the teens and upper 20s in some spots with actual air temperatures in the upper 20s and lower 30s. It's actually not as cold as a previous model run, which is good news on that front to start your Sunday, but we're only going to briefly get above freezing as we head through your Sunday afternoon with those clouds still hanging around. But then watch this as we head through Sunday night and early Monday morning, and I've got it flash forwarded all the way to 6:30 in the morning. And there you see that area of pink. That's that light freezing drizzle that we've been talking about. And we're going to slowly go through around 7:30. This is 8 a.m. Notice wind chills, single digits to lower teens across much of the region as well. So it is not only going to have that light freezing drizzle, it is going to feel much colder than the actual air temperature, which will be in those mid to upper 20s. Then as we head through your Monday afternoon, things do start to clear out and we could get some sublimation, which could allow for that ice to evaporate right back into the atmosphere and limit travel impacts for your Monday afternoon and evening. But then watch as we head into Tuesday morning. This is where we see some of the coldest air of the season. We're going to get all the way down to those upper teens. And look at those gold numbers, these wind chill values, like what I've been talking about. The wind chill values are either at near zero or in some cases out in the hill country below zero. So you definitely want to make sure that you are taking care of those 4 Ps, those pets, those pipes, those plants, as well as people. Now let's take a look at our ice accumulations, and as you can see, we barely have much of anything, which is good news. Only a few hundredths of an inch, kind of on track with what I've been saying throughout these past couple of days, a 1/10 of an inch at best in most spots, which would only affect those bridges, those overpasses, as well as other elevated surfaces. So the main impacts that we need you to be prepared for are the extreme cold and wind chill values that could get below zero, especially on your Monday night. Moderate chance of impacts as a result of that light freezing rain and drizzle, so travel impacts overall are low. However, just pay attention as you get on those bridges and overpasses. And if you've noticed 183, you see those streaks on 183 right at that overpass in your Burnett Road, crossing 35 and then getting closer to the airport. That is that brine solution that has been put on that overpass, so hopefully that brine is able to hold up. Now over the next 7 days, we're not going to really thaw out even on Tuesday either, because we're expecting highs barely getting above freezing for just a little bit. So really it's going to be from later on tonight all the way through Wednesday where we could have sub-freezing temperatures in some spots. So that would be over 60 plus hours of sub-freezing temperatures. So you want to make sure that you have those pipes dripping, you have those pets brought in, you have those plants, those smaller ones brought in, the larger ones covered, as well as checking on your neighbors, making sure everyone has adequate warmth. Those are the 4 Ps: pets, plants, pipes, and people. So keep it here to KVUE. We're going to have the latest on this throughout the course of the evening and then on through your Sunday morning as well as we get closer to the arrival of that freezing.